You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. You see, from this very area, market is going down. As I talk about, the market is going to go down a little bit to this very level before we will see that very little retracement to the upside before continuation to the downside. And right now market is at 15.8k level approximately on the 4-hour chart. We see this market have been going down even over the weekend till this moment. So what are we paying attention to? And also on ETH, market has been going down from this very area to the downside. What are we expecting on ETH from this area and on this very area of support where market bounce back up? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. A very brief one today. If you look at this very sharp drop to the downside and then this very little move because of the CPI data, and right now market is moving back down. What I am paying attention to is for retracement to come into the market from this level of 15,500, from this level of 15,500 to this very area of 15k. Okay, this is where I am expecting market to come back down into before that very retracement. That means this market should come down into this level of 15,500 and 15k. Between that level of 15,500 and 15k, I am expecting the market to move a little bit to the upside in form of a retracement before continuation back down. Remember, I told you guys that Bitcoin probably is going to head back down. Remember, I told you guys that Bitcoin is going to head back down into the 11 and 10k level. This is where I am expecting the Bitcoin bottom to come into, especially if we see this move into this area of 11 and 10k at this area. This will be a nice bottom before the market will move back to the upside. If you look at it on the 1 week chart, it's very obvious that at this very level of 11 and 10k, from this level of 10k right here to 11 is where we have this very massive move to the upside in the past. If you look at it here very well, this massive move on Bitcoin on 10k and this 11k right here was a very strong resistance here, resistance at this very area, resistance at this area, and market then shoots to the upside to this very area. Then we have that very bull run. So this is what I am also paying attention to on the 1-day chart, and that market is going to move a little bit to the downside into this level of 15,500 and 15k. The next retracement will come in before continuation to the downside. So be looking for short opportunities, and on the 4-hour chart, on the immediate short term, expect this market to still come back down and expect retracement from this area where the market is right now and this area of 15,400. From this area of 15,400 to where the market is right now is where I am expecting market to come back into before retracement. So expect retracement. So now this retracement that will happen to the upside does not mean you should take a buy position. It will be very risky for you to take a buy position from this area. Rather, wait for the end of retracement, then you're going to take a short position to the downside because market is going to still head back down. On the 4-hour chart, it is the same thing. Market is going to move down as it was moving over the weekend to this very area of 1,134 to this very level of 1,660. From this very area, expect retracement. That means this market is going to still come back down into this very zone. Then we're going to see the market bounce back up again because this area is very nice support at this very point, and that is what I am paying attention to. Don't buy from here to the upside, rather look for short opportunities after the end of retracement for the market to continue back to the downside. That is what you should be looking out for, and pay attention to this because that is what I am expecting in the market. What do you think about this very 4-hour chart on Bitcoin? Do you think this market is going to just retrace from this area to the upside before the next continuation, or we're going to see a little bit of drop to the downside into this level I'm talking about right now before the next continuation to the upside? Comment below in the comment section of this video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description of this video in the registration right now. Thank you very much for watching to this video, and I will see you in the next video.